Welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I will cover how to install HID Fargo 6600 printer on a computer. To install this printer on a computer you will require its driver. I will show you which driver you will require. Please come on the screen. This is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below. So please download the driver from there. After that, you just need to right click on that and click on extract to. It will unzip the driver file into a folder. This is the folder where all the driver files are extracted. You just need to double click on that. And click on this exe file, setup file. Select the preferred language and click on OK. Now click on Next. Check this box I accept and click on Next. Click on Next and choose the connection type. Which connection type do you prefer? USB or Ethernet? I will prefer USB. Select USB and click on Next. After that, click on Install. It is installing the drivers, so please wait. Now it is asking to connect the printer USB cable to the computer. So please make sure the printer's cable is connected and the printer is powered on. And after that, this screen will vanish and you need to click on Finish. Printer will be installed successfully. So that is how you can install this HID Fargo 6600 printer on your computer. If you find this video useful, please hit like, share and subscribe button. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.